Coming up in this video, how to install Joomla 3. Welcome to this Web Help US tutorial. In this video, we're going to install the latest version of Joomla. Before we can do this, we'll need to have a web host that supports the version of Joomla we are installing. If you aren't sure, contact your host company and ask them for help. We're also going to need a database. You can find out how to set up a database for your installation at our website. The link is in the description. Now that we have a place for our Joomla installation to live and a database set up, we'll need to download Joomla, which can be done at their website, joomla.org. And we're going to click on the download. And we're going to grab the latest version, which will be up here. And as you can see on the bottom, it is downloading. Alright, now that it's done downloading, I'm going to show you a trick. Normally, what I've done in the past is I would upload all the files using an FTP. There are a lot of files and that would take a long time to do. I'm going to show you something that will speed up your process. So if you have a cPanel on your hosting, what you'll need to go is into the file manager. So once you're in the directory that you want to upload your files to, we're going to upload the zipped file. So what we just downloaded, the Joomla installation, we're just going to upload that entire thing. So instead of thousands of files we're uploading, we're only uploading one. Alright, we're going to get out of here. And we're going to refresh this page. And as you can see, that's it. That's the only file there. So now, we right click and we do extract. And we're going to extract right here. And it unzipped all the files. And once we do that, all your files are there and you can ready to begin installation. Make sure you delete the package once you're done. So that's the quick way of getting it onto your web server. However, I'm installing this on a local host. So I have to copy and paste it like you would any other file on your computer. I mean, this alone takes a while anyway. Imagine if we were doing this on an FTP server and know how long it would take to upload all these files. And depending on your connection, this would take an enormous amount of time. There's been times where I've done this. I've uploaded Joomla to a server and it's taking probably close to 30 minutes to do. And as you saw, it took us less than a minute to not only upload it, but extract it as well. So that's going to save you a lot of time in the future. We're going to speed this up. Finally, fortunately, you do not have to live through that in real time. So let's go back to our page. We're going to hit refresh and we're going to see the installation now. So the installation has changed over the time it has become very simple to do. So we're going to fill in our site name because the ones with the asterisks are required to fill out. For the purpose of this demo, I'm using the admin username of admin. This I would not recommend in any of your live sites. Always have a admin username that is unique. Never use admin. Now, hopefully you've already gone through and set up a database for your Joomla installation. If you have not, please refer to our video on how to create a MySQL database. The link will be in the description. We've already gone ahead and done this, so all I have to do is enter the information. All right, now we have a couple of choices. Depending on what kind of site we're building, we may want to use sample data. However, if you are building a native multi-language site, you need to have no sample data created. So we're going to go ahead and not create any sample data in our website because we're going to use this website later for different tutorials, and we're going to build on it as we continue these tutorials in Joomla. So I'm going to go ahead and install. Now, if you didn't get to that last step, if there was an error before you got to that step, it was probably because you typed in your password or your username incorrectly. The installation could not connect to the database. But since everything went along smoothly, we didn't have any problems, so we can move on. So now that we have installed Joomla, the first thing we have to do is remove the installation folder. Now that that's removed, we can take a look at our site. And there you have it. You've installed Joomla on your server. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to like and share it, and also to subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You can interact with us on social media. You can find tutorials, tips and tricks, services, and more at webhelpus.com.